Fall 2023 Question 3. This sits in Category 9, Embedded Options and Hedging, difficulty rung 4 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition Q, GMMB/GMMB Black, Shoals Value, Hedge, or VA Profit Wrap. STEM Focus, 3-year VA Profit Test with Death/Surrender, GMMB Writer, Profit Metrics. Own the recognition queue and map before grinding algebra. Use the official exam PDF and model solution for full numeric work. Attack with the Category 9 checklist. Step 1. Map guarantee to put/call. Adjust for charges. Step 2. Times survival, GMMB, or death densities, GMMB. Step 3. Hedge equals bond minus delta stock, roll if asked. Step 4. Profit, fund path, top-up, and PV plus or minus hedge. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 9 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variants. Audience setting is not made for kids, adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.